and my sound, because there was ones that wasn't pop. You like it, Koopa? My phone, Koopa. Yeah, that was awesome. What's it? Well, you know, you're a good boy. You go from no boy. So, can I play the PlayStation?
What's awesome?
Marcia.
Why, you want to get out?
No,
You want to see your video? Yes?
Marcia. Daddy.
Shayla, you want to see a video of you? Cheese. No, cheese. Eat it. Take a bite. Cheese. Okay, we leave it here for you, for later. Cheese. American cheese. American cheese. American cheese.
No.
American cheese.
No.
Yes.
No.
American cheese. American cheese. You want it? You want it? No. American cheese. Whoop. Can I give you American cheese, man?
No.
How about Swiss cheese? Is that Swiss cheese? Is that Swiss cheese? Is that Swiss cheese?
No.
It's American cheese, right? Yes, it's American cheese. Hey, funny man.
No. No. Me.
Cheese. Hey, you. Eat it right. Pick it up. Eat right. Pick it up. Pick it up.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow, Shayla.
Yeah.
No, I don't want American cheese. It says Shayla.
Thank you.
Because you guys are from New York.
No.
Are you from New York? That's why you don't want American cheese?
No.
Sit. Sit. You want to get up? You want to get out? You want to get out? Throw it away. Don't show your sister. Throw it out. Go ahead. Eat the cheese and you can have a candy. Then no candy.
No.
Okay, no candy then. No cheese? Okay, then no candy. No candy too? Okay, no candy, no cheese.
Something to drink? Thirsty? You thirsty? Thirsty?
That's beads. Pretty beads? Beads, yes. You like Aunt Melissa's beads? You girl?
No, I love blue.
I like blue. Beads.
Soft light blue. Light blue.
You love beads?
It is real.
Yes, it's real. It's a real stone. I gave it to Aunt Melissa. It was my stone. I gave it to her. Because she wanted it. She used to have a blue stone, too.
Man, I want the blue stone. This shit. Maybe next time have the blue stone one comes.
Pick up the broken candy, Jason.
I did.
Right there, two.
Oh, but I forgot that was 2 pieces. Man.
You want to get out?
Oh, thank you.
Come on, take her out.
Oh, thanks.
Open sesame. You ate? Okay.
My tissue.
Okay, put it back in the box. Yes, young man. Put it back in the box, little girl. Funny girl.
Get him, girl, get him.
What are you breaking?
Nothing yet, huh?
What? I
Didn't break
did.
anything yet, huh? Little boy.
Put that back, miss.
No.
Yeah, mine.
Play with it.